Like, can you see? Like, this is a wooden panel, and if we get closer to it, there's this little, real little crack down here. Now, these are a pain because you can put polyfiller in them, and they will just sink in, and then the cracks will come out. So what you have to do, get yourself a scraper, and we're going to make these lines bigger. Don't worry, yeah? We want them big because we want to get in them, right? So don't be scared, right? Open them up. Ali Baba would say. Just get right in it. Get your thing in there. Can you see that? It's gone right in there. Get off there. On those jagged edges, and then we're going to fill it back. Alright, so we've gone really indented it down. So what we do, this is just the first bit. Just get it in the gaps, yeah? It's gonna shrink anyway. It's going to be a two-parter. Try not to get too messy. Like I said, it's just going to evaporate in. When the water dries, it will shrink so it fade in. And you'll see the crack will be a little bit invisible. And then we're going to go over the crack again. Right, we're going to give that a little time to dry. Good thing with this stuff, it dries quite quick. So then we'll just stick it on again. I'd say it'll probably be drying about an hour and a half. Alright, as you can see, this is dried now, so what we're going to do, we're going to give this a real light sand with smooth sandpaper. Alright, so I rubbed my finger on the Polyfilla. I just went down it against the second coat, so we lightly sanded it and then the second coat, so that should dry. And you should be able to paint on that, and it shouldn't crack through again. Alright, as you can see, we double glossed this, and if you feel that now, it's absolutely smooth. There's no crack there. And then we'll just paint that, and you won't see any more train track lines. Won't look like San Francisco, okay? And then you paint it, and there you go. The big Kardashian is gone from your wooden panel. Nicely done.